In a really quick Bitcoin update, this on the 15-minute time frame. I have these zones in the 15-minute using the candle body closes, which also aligns with the wicks. And then this is the wick. So this is my top zone, and then this is a very large bottom zone. But I have this wick for sure, and I can actually, I like this level. This level, I do like it on a higher time frame. But let's go ahead and make this here, and let's do this down here. So here's our range high, our range low, and then this is pretty much like our mid range. Let's go ahead and do one of these just really quick. See how this looks. It's too much. Let's go here. Okay, so this is just, again, really quick, just to see some levels. And I do like this. I like this level for sure. And this level. So can we get a little bit lower? I think we can actually get a little bit lower. So what I'm showing you is in real time, the thought process. So we have a high. We'll use this. It lines up with this wick, this wick almost, this wick for sure. And then we'll use these kind of body closes, and it goes to this wick. This wick barely passes it, and then two wicks to go right on it. So I do like this level. Now, what we're doing is we're just mapping everything out. We have our highs, range high, range low, and then our mid range. Now, when the price was here, as I mentioned on multiple live streams, it doesn't look strong. It really doesn't. And, you know, I'm looking at it on the 1 hour and the 4 hour. And here I'm on the 15-minute, just kind of zooming in. We have our highs, lower highs, lower highs, lower highs, and lower highs as far as the candle body closes. And right now we have a low, higher low, and then higher low at the moment. But now, if it bounces here, we have a double bottom. But I think what might happen is this. If it does bounce, probably go to here to our zone that we've kind of mapped out, and then roll over, come and get this liquidity or this buying pressure, this wick, possibly come down lower to get this wick before possibly coming up to this new level that well, this is a level for sure, but if it does go up, then this is a stronger level. So come up to here before potentially breaking down this level, taking this wick, and then hopefully this too. So once we reach around here, this is our decision point. Is it going to go up or is it going to go down? Now, throughout this whole thing, I could be completely wrong. You know, it could do something like this, where it goes up, comes up here, does a lower high, comes down, comes over here, breaks this high, breaks this high, breaks all the other highs, comes over here, gets rejected, comes down, and then finds support. Again, about 50% of this move is right in this level, right here. So we could get a bounce here to come up and then start doing this. So all we have to do is just basically wait to see what price action is going to do. Right now, I do believe until it starts breaking these highs, I'm bearish. So that's pretty much the gist of that. But we'll see what happens. Right now, I need to see it break 85. We can just call it 86. I need to see it break 86 for us to potentially come down, and then even more so. So that's your Bitcoin update. Everything looks very boring. It's been looking boring. I'm looking at these charts. I'm, gonna make some videos, but looking at these charts as far as the longer term plays, and we'll see how those go. I do thank you very much, and talk to you soon. Take care.